Bravo Juliet, indicated contact ground, 11730, goodbye. 11730, cheerio, 11730. 2 by 1, subsequent is car, runway 04, just take off. Just take off 04.
And there you go, guys. There's another 747 actually over there in the private terminals, or one of the private terminals, shall I say. There's currently two on the ground, it looks like, at the moment here after this is left. Try and catch the out departure, but we're going to get done by the trees, aren't we? So I know we'll catch it. Stansted. Robin Giles, afternoon to you. No, we are going to get it.
496 Tango, report ready. Ready for departure, Tango. Tango to behind, landing 767. Short final by Hotel 1, but I'm probably 04 behind the expedited taxi. Okay, expedite taxi behind the landing traffic, line up runway 04 behind Hotel 190 Tango.
So nice to see these gracious beasts in the sky. We got very lucky yesterday and today. Definitely wouldn't have fitted past here, folks.
Range 1 after the vacating 747, continue full length, range 1. Mark 3, contact ground, 121, 730. 121, 730, Mike.
Absolutely insane. Beautiful.
Oman 1, expect taxiway hotel, contact ground 121.730.
Now that is a beauty. So 747-8, it should be fun. God, the size of the thing. There we go. 747-8. Wow. There's two 747s over there, Ken.
Not in there, isn't there?
Is there not? I thought there was two 747s.
I only saw one.
Right, it's literally the size comparison. Look at that.
Tower by Quebec 1, surface wind 230 degrees 5 knots to 22. Take off.
1-3 by
Quebec 1, runway 22.
Absolutely incredible. Wow. Literally the louder is just lost.
Cargo 2582, Stansted Tower, report ready.
Absolutely incredible, folks. No way. Brilliant stuff. Tina York, this has got to be your best Stansted stream so far. This has been well worth it. Wow. And then we'll probably be full of Ryanair aircraft. Right.
Papa Romeo Charlie Golf India, Stansted Tower, 5 Romeo 1, line up and wait, runway 22. Short wait for wait service. Make yourself line up and wait via Romeo 1, up Romeo Charlie Golf India. Immediate contact Stansted direct 136 decimal. Channel 65 immediate contact Stansted direct 136 decimal 2. 136 decimal 2, channel 65 Kilo Juliet, come on.
Absolutely incredible. That's a stunning departure. He'd be over there in 5 minutes. Typical. Can someone please move that tower?
I know, it's a pain, isn't it?
Wow.
Papa Golf India, surface wind 350 degrees 4 knots, 22, clear for takeoff. Here's the Papa Romeo Charlie Golf India.
Tomorrow.
Jet 5 Bravo Alpha, surface wind 320 degrees, 6 knots, variable 260.
So nice seeing these.
Runway 22, clear to land. Clear land, Tom 5 Bravo Alpha.
So nice seeing these. Clever star. Tina York, I'll probably go back to about the normal time tomorrow, so from about 4 o'clock, knowing that the... I knew there was two 747s sitting over there. What an absolute incredible 2 days we've had here at Stansted, guys. I know the schedule's sort of been a bit different. Beautiful. Can't wait to edit some of this footage up, folks, as well. So anyone that has missed the whole stream, I will post up some highlights of this, obviously on our Instagram and our Facebook pages. Absolute stunner. Yeah, it was definitely worth changing the schedule up just a little bit, guys, to catch what we've caught today. Some amazing pieces of aviation history.
Oman 2, Romeo 1 is your first left.
Joe will take Romeo 1, that's so much.
Nah, I'm gonna head back, Ken. I've got to go to Tesco, and I've got to get a few bits. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, I need some more water, mate. If I had another couple of bottles of water with me, I would have probably stayed. Incredible, isn't it? I'm so glad we got 2 days of this, guys. 2 days of action that I've just not seen for a good couple of years. Absolutely
November 8 Alpha Charlie, stay on this frequency, taxi left via hotel and hold short of November. Okay, make on left turn here and...
Evening, Rob, how are you?
Oman 2, surface wind 3005.
Yeah, Joachim, 100%, mate.
Takeoff, runway 22,
Should have known, guys, obviously, I should have brought my call bag.
Yeah, Ranger 1, holding at Romeo 1 for a bottom bird inspection, please.
Ranger 1, roger, via Romeo 1, enter runway 22, next landing traffic at 4 DMA.
Ranger 1, enter runway, Romeo 1, Ranger 1.
Ranger 1,
Ranger 1, vacate, Papa 3.
November 8 Alpha Charlie, taxi left turn to holding point November 1. Yeah, we'll make the left here and November 1, more for the runway 22.
We should get it, guys, by the other end of the control tower. Yes, we do. I'm hoping a left turn. Wow.
Oman 2, contact London 118.825, thanks.
2 days, folks, of incredible heavy action.
Vacated runway, holding at Papa 3, Ranger 1.
Ranger 1, roger, break November 0 Alpha Whiskey, surface winds westerly 5 knots, runway 22 clear to land, vacate right at Victor 1. Okay, right at Victor 1, 0 up with. Ryanair 4, uniform, Stansted Tower behind landing, Global Express, short final via Sierra 1, line up runway 22 behind.
Okay, behind the landing, Global Express, line up and wait, Sierra 1, runway 22, Ryanair 4, uniform.
Hey, firm, there'll be a runway
There's definitely something not right. Only broadcasting on YouTube as well today, guys, just so I can say some of the things.
Asiana 799,
brilliant stuff.
1607, runway 22, here's takeoff. Take off runway 22, Asiana 793.
J Job Studios, this is Stansted Airport, so we're here at Stansted Airport, folks. Beautiful. Beautiful sounds. Rotated. Like a very short flight.
Stansted Tower via Hotel 1 across runway 22.
So nice to see 747 action. Check. Yeah, everything looks good. It'd be nice to actually catch the Emirates 777-300 as well inbound.
Asiana 793, airborne. Asiana 7938, contact London Control 118.25. 118.5, right down to 730.
Wow. Right, morning all, good morning. Just missed the Cargolux inbound, typical problems. Hopefully should be able to get just
77
lifting off.
Hotel with 2102, runway 22, clear to land.
Long takeoff run somewhere.
City approach number 2, Ryanair 7 November X-ray.
Beautiful.
UPS 4, contact London Control 118.825. 118.825, UPS 4.
Beautiful 747, and now on the countdown after this departure to the Emirates 777, the first arrival in 2 years for Emirates. Absolutely great day.
Ryanair 7, my Echo Stansted Tower, city approach, runway 22, you're number 1.
3 777s in less than 2 hours, or 3 747s in less than 2 hours. just as she goes the other side of the tower, or the old tower. Any second. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Finally caught her. I wonder if she's going to make a left bank or she's going to fly straight out. Majority of the aircraft looks like they've been actually flying straight out. She's going to make a lovely left bank.
Cargolux 9737, contact London Control 118.85, bye-bye.
185, sorry.
It's been quite cloudy over the back there as well, folks.